Hi all friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how to allow the Pinterest app to access your photos. Be sure friends, put your likes under the video. Please write comments after watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And let us get down to the topic with you. Now I will show you everything. First of all, on your iPhone, please open the settings. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the settings and go to Security Privacy. Now scroll down, select Photos, then find Pinterest. And if you have the first option enabled, as I do now, that is Do Not Share Photos, then please toggle it in this menu to the third option. This way, you will give the Pinterest app full access to the photos and videos on your device. Similarly, you can also do it in a slightly different way. To do this, in the settings, sag to the very bottom, open the app. Next, find Pinterest. Tap on the photo and just switch to full access too. Also, please go back to the settings. Select Screen Time. Swipe down. Click on Content Permission and Privacy. Open Photo. Find Pinterest. And next, exactly the same way, you'll need to give Pinterest access to your images in the gallery. This is the way, friends, you will be able to allow the Pinterest app to access your photos. Hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. See you soon.